We're staying at 31 Plus room tonight, and our checkout time is 11 a.m. and our reception runs until 9 p.m. So after 9 p.m. there's no one around here. So if you need anything, please tell us before 9 p.m. And after that, if there's any emergency situation, then please send us a WhatsApp message to this number here. And I
Docking station 呢度有。